Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you are using Strava, you want to connect it to the Garmin Connect app so you can have more options and all of this. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through this, basically how to connect the Garmin Connect app to the whole Strava app. It's basically different platform, but more options. Let's get started fast and easy as usual. Well, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet to go all the way and look for Garmin Connect app. Open it. All you're gonna do now is log in using your email address and password, then tap on this three-dot menu or more. Now we're gonna go through these settings. Tap on connected apps. If you can see any, just tap on connected apps here. So as you see, we have this. You haven't connected your Garmin account with any other apps yet. If you do, you can manage how your data is shared with those apps here. Find Strava in the list, then tap it, tap connect or login, then authorize the link. We also have this Health Connect, you can sync with Health Connect. You can even grow through the connected apps, Live Track, Garmin Pay or whatsoever, device sync. We have multiple options. Gem user settings. You can also go through these connections here. As you see, find friends, invite friends. You can even go through groups if you want to. We have actually multiple options: activities, steps, training and planning, gear, insights. We have basically multiple options: challenges, calendar, news feed. So when you see the Strava on the list, just make sure to authorize the link. You will be taken to Strava's login page, enter your Strava credentials. Important, make sure the permissions for upload activities from Garmin Connect to Strava is enabled. If it is off, nothing will sync properly. And that's it. Garmin will sync your last 90 days of activities to Strava immediately. Don't even worry about that. So thank you all for watching and I'll see you all in the next video.